Did you know that people over 50 who eat a healthy breakfast every day have a significantly lower risk of heart disease, diabetes, and cognitive decline? According to the American Heart Association, skipping breakfast can increase your risk of cardiovascular disease by 27%, especially after age 50. Our bodies demand more intentional care as we age, especially first thing in the morning. A nutritious breakfast is more than just fuel. It is a vital opportunity to load your body with the nutrients it needs to support energy, heart health, muscle preservation, and brain function. This video will take you through 5 of the healthiest breakfasts tailored specifically for those over 50. Hello everyone, welcome to the Wellness Watchers TV. Before we continue, we want to emphasize the importance of consulting your healthcare professionals before making significant health changes. Here's a science-backed list of the top 5 healthy breakfast ideas, specially tailored for individuals aged 50 and over, focusing on heart health, bone strength, energy, digestion, and brain function. Number 1. Oatmeal with berries and walnuts. Oats contain beta-glucan, a type of soluble fiber shown by the Harvard T.H. Chan School of Public Health to reduce LDL bad cholesterol and lower heart disease risk. Blueberries, rich in anthocyanins, have been linked to improved memory and slower cognitive aging, according to a 2012 study published in the Journal of Agricultural and Food Chemistry. Walnuts, loaded with omega-3 fatty acids, help reduce inflammation and support brain function, as highlighted by Alzheimer's Research UK. Number 2. Whole grain avocado toast with poached egg. Whole grains provide fiber, magnesium, and B vitamins, essential for cardiovascular and brain health, as outlined in the United States Department of Agriculture, USDA, dietary guidelines. According to a 2015 report published in the Journal of the American Heart Association, avocados are rich in monounsaturated fats and potassium, which help reduce blood pressure. According to a 2020 study by the University of Connecticut, eggs contain choline, which supports memory function and liver health. Number 3. Overnight oats with almond butter, blueberries, and pumpkin seeds. According to a report published in the New England Journal of Medicine, almond butter is a rich source of vitamin E and healthy fats, which protect heart health. According to the National Library of Medicine, pumpkin seeds are rich in magnesium and zinc, necessary elements that support sleep quality and immune support. Oats are remarkable for their cholesterol-lowering and blood sugar-stabilizing benefits emphasized in the CDC dietary guidelines. Number 4. Quinoa breakfast bowl with apple, raisins, and walnuts. According to a study by the Cleveland Clinic, quinoa is a complete protein that provides magnesium and iron for nerve and muscle function. A research study by the Harvard T.H. Chan School of Public Health confirms that the pectin fiber in apples and raisins supports digestion and heart health. Walnuts are renowned for their role in memory support and cognitive aging, confirmed by a 2015 study from the University of California, Los Angeles. Number 5. Vegetable omelet with sautéed greens. The Cleveland Clinic confirms that lutein and zeaxanthin in eggs are critical for eye health. Leafy greens like spinach and kale offer vitamin K and folate, which aid in cognitive and vascular health, as detailed in the British Medical Journal in 2018. These 5 healthy breakfast options stand out not only for their nutritional power, but also for their simplicity and versatility in daily routines. Starting your day with a balanced, nutrient-rich breakfast is one of the most important habits for anyone, especially after 50. From boosting brain function to supporting heart and bone health, the right morning meal sets the tone for your entire day and long-term vitality. Share your favorite breakfast ideas or any unique variations you love in the comments below. Don't forget to hit that thumbs up button, share this video with your loved ones, and subscribe to our channel for more science-based health and wellness content. Until next time, stay well and stay inspired.